Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club. And today I brought for class 12th from Flamingo book chapter 4 The Rat Trap. So let's start. Rat Trap is written by Selma Lagerlöf. She was a Swedish writer. She was born on 1858 and died on 1940. Whose stories have been translated into many languages. This story is set in the middle of the mines of Sweden, which are rich in iron ore. The story is narrated in the manner of a fairy tale. It gives us the message that the emotions of love and acceptance can reform others. Now we will see introduction of the chapter. The rat trap lesson is about a man who is a peddler. Peddler is, you can say, that a man who roams here and there, who has no shelter. He has a pessimistic attitude towards the world. The peddler has not always been like this and was a fine man before. However, due to misfortune, he now resorts to selling rat traps, begging and even stealing to survive. Moreover, he also views the world as a big rat trap. He believes that, much similar to the cheese we put for mice, the world offers us materialistic things to lure us. So, when we fall for these things, it traps us and takes everything away from us. In this story, a young genius and generous woman takes in the rat trap seller. Thus, the generosity and kindness she shows changes his pessimistic take on life. This story teaches us about the essential human goodness we all must possess. Now we will see summary of the chapter. The story begins with the rat trap peddler who is in a rugged condition. He is dressed in rags and is very frail and looks starved. We learn he has no home, no shelter, no food, no job, and sometimes even begs and steals to survive in the world. He leads a lonely life with no one to care about him. One fine day, it strikes to him that this whole world is a rat trap itself. If we touch it, it will trap us and never let us go. He goes on to think that there are people out there who are already in this rat trap and reaching for the bait. On one cold evening, he reaches at a cottage to ask for shelter, and there an old crofter lived in the cottage who took in the peddler. The crofter needed company, so he welcomes the peddler. He gives him hot food and even tobacco to smoke. They play cards and start talking. The peddler learns that the crofter got 30 kron for selling his cow milk, which he keeps in a pouch on the window frame. The peddler leaves the next day, but after seeing the crofter leave his quarters, he comes back to steal the pouch of money. After stealing it, he takes the woods to remain unsuspected. In the wood, the peddler meets an iron master, who mistakes him to be his old comrade. He invites him over for Christmas, but he refuses. After that, the iron master's daughter, Edla, visits him and insists him to stay with them. In between, he feels sorry for stealing the crofter's money. They help the peddler get a makeover and dress him in nice clothes and shave his beard off. After this, the iron master realizes he has made a mistake. The peddler was not his comrade. Thus, the iron master thinks he is a fraud and decides to turn him in. However, Atlas insists on letting him stay and celebrate Christmas with them. Her father agrees and they celebrate Christmas together. Next day, the iron master and Atla learn that the peddler was a thief through the church about the incident at the old crafters. They had home in a hurry, thinking he must have stolen all the silver. However, to their surprise, the peddler did not steal a thing. He left a note for Edla in the form of a tiny rat trap. There was also a note thanking her for her kindness, which saved him from the rat trap he got caught in. Most importantly, he also left the crafter's money, asking to return it to him. Now, we learn from this chapter that we can change the world through kindness and compassion. In addition, it teaches us that materialistic things never bring inner joy, only love and respect does. So I hope you all like this chapter. Story was nice and also the gives message to the humanity. So keep watching, keep learning. Do not forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care.